Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to cash out $750 for free on Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, make sure you have at least $750 available in your Cash App balance. If you don't, you'll need to add money from your linked bank account or receive funds through Cash App before you can cash out. Once the money is available in your Cash App balance, tap the Withdraw button. Depending on your app version, this option may still be labeled Cash Out. Next, enter the amount you want to transfer. For this example, I will enter $750 and then tap Withdraw. After that, Cash App will give you two transfer options. The standard transfer is free and usually takes 3 business days to arrive in your linked bank account. The instant transfer sends the money much faster, but it includes a transfer fee. If you want to cash out $750 without paying any fees, simply select the standard transfer option. Finally, confirm the transaction using your Cash PIN, Face ID, or Touch ID, depending on your device. Cash App will process the withdrawal, and the money will be deposited into your linked bank account within the estimated processing time. And that's it! So that's basically how you can cash out $750 for free on Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.